Fight.
First day of painting today. I think it's gonna take 3 days total to do trim walls, sand everything.
No.
Nick, how long do you think it'll take?
I don't know. Two days.
Nick's ambitious. I think I'm the realist here. We'll see what happens. So this is Nick's current room. Really weird room color. But you can see that the queen bed fits well. I think this room's like 12 by 12. But this is the room he's moving into for the time being.
It's a little small.
Almost forgot. Can't do a renovation without some music. Alright, something we've come to realize is that we have to scrape all of this old caulk out of the door seams and all along the edge of the trim, and then we have to reseal it all. So that's gonna take forever.
Alright guys, and now we start cleaning. Just about got everything covered up. I'm waiting on Bryce to get back with some more caulk, and he's gonna finish that up. And I'll probably start mixing up the paint and get at it. Gonna tape it off after I do a second coat, and then we're gonna start on the trim. Bryce will be here in a bit. So yeah, I got my painting clothes on, ready to get after it. Oh my. So, we finished painting the room. It took many days of work after work, but we were able to get the walls pretty sanded nicely. And then we fixed some of the problems that we were having on the windows. And then we cleaned up the caulk, and we got our paint looking pretty good. There's some imperfections if you look close, but pretty good. What do you think, Bryce? Was it worth it?
I don't know.
It took a while, but yeah, got the floors clean, gonna move my room in here, and then on to the next project.
Guys, it looks so much better in here. It was green walls. I'll insert the clip right now of the old room. Green walls, like yellow trim. It was rough. Big improvement right now with the white and the gray.
Alright guys, almost forgot. Like and subscribe and come and watch more of our content. It's us messing around, doing stuff, trying to make stuff. Thank you.